How to batch edit videos in Gling AI. So if you want to go ahead and batch edit a video in Gling, what you can simply do is go over to Gling over here. And what you can do is you can drag and drop multiple files into it. So let's say I'm going to come right over here, and any multiple files that I have, I can drag and drop in this section. So I have this, this, and this. I'm simply going to do that. And all of these multiple files are going to be added into my section. So as you can see, I have these three multiple files. So I'm simply going to hit continue. And what you can do is you can have these enhancements added into it. And as you can see, it says, if you have a written script, try uploading it to Gling to optimize the transcription quality. So of course, adding multiple videos is going to make that batch edit easier for you. So just add as many videos as you can add, or the amount of videos that are going to be appropriate for your batch. And once you have done that, what Gling does is it automatically goes ahead and starts editing those videos. Now, generally, it takes about a minute to, properly process things and configure all the settings and all the workings that it needs. But once it is done, all of those videos will be edited. Okay, that's the best part about Gling, because its AI capabilities allow you to use all of its features packed in one go. And of course, this is the Edit with AI tool. You can also extract shorts, but that's less of a batch edit and more of a clipping thing. For a proper batch edit section, this is the one that you're going to need to use. And the best part about this is it will pretty much do everything for you: cutting, transcribing, captioning, different types of color gradings, shortcuts, and those long cuts, immediate cuts. All of the general editive sections are going to be added in this one timeline of an edit. And don't worry, of course, you do get the options to change those edits according to yourself, manipulate those edits according to your belongings. So just wait for things to properly load in. And of course, once they properly load in, you're going to see the final product. So let me show you what it's going to be looking like. Now, once everything is done, it's going to look something like this over here. So in your one time, you're going to have all your multiple videos with the proper cuts, the proper edits, and all the necessary things you need all in one section. And you can see that it has added those different types of color gradings for you. It's made my video yellow. It even added this text on top of it. Okay. And the more you look through it, the more elements and the more layer it has added into your design. It has created those really nice shortcuts and transitions over here. So that is Gling AI and how you can do a batch edit. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.